Hi, I'm Leathur Rokk, and this is Garfield, and I got some goodies to show you. When the mailman rang the doorbell, that obviously works, he had a package for me from TEMU, and this is something I've been waiting for. This is an order that I tried to make once before, and I had to recreate it because for some reason they had a hard time making a delivery. But I found pretty much everything I made the order for the last time, the things that I really wanted. This was not luxury. Well, maybe some of it is, but you decide. I think these were very essentials at very good prices. Now, this is one of the most important things of the shipment. This is a crimping iron. It is lavender. It's small. It was, I believe, under $4. Now, let me see how you open up the thing. Okay. This. Look. Isn't it precious? And I love its portability. Well, they're all obviously portable, but this is probably a third of the size a crimping iron usually is. And this is really great for, even with my hair braided, you could still straighten the ends so it looks just like, gives you the same effect that when I finally take this out, you know. I love crimping irons. I've been crimping my hair since I was probably, I don't know, maybe 18 years old or something. I think that may have been when I got my first one. Or maybe I got turned on to them in beauty school. I don't know. But I haven't had a crimping iron in probably a good 10 years. Last time I bought one, I usually get mine in Hollywood, so I got this. I'm so stoked that they had them at TEMU. And I had to look and look and look and look and look. Uh-oh. Hold on. That was my expansion drive thing. I got to keep that plugged in so that I can, it helps to keep my channel backed up. This is one of the Dragon's Blood creams. And some of them are gel based, some of them are creamier. And they are just really reasonably priced. They feel so good on the skin. And their containers are really, really, really lovely. And I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is the cream formula, which is actually my favorite. Even though the gel formula will probably be wonderful in the summertime. This, and it's got a real delicate scent, very almost imperceptible. And that's kind of better when it comes to getting skincare. It's better really for them, in my opinion, to be fragrance-free or very, very lightly fragranced. I'm quite particular in my fragrances. But if you're curious as to what real dragon's blood looks like, hold on a second. I had taken a piece of dragon's blood and I set it aside just so I could show you, and now I can't put my hands on it. But anyway, in one of these videos I will show you. Real dragon's blood is a resin from a certain plant, and it actually looks like pieces of brick. It's like a dark red color, and you wouldn't know to smell it until you put it on charcoal. So a real hot smoldering charcoal. Then it has this really interesting fragrance that has a lot of uses, and apparently it has medicinal uses as far as skincare goes. I never knew that it could be used as a skincare ingredient, but I really like the ones. I've tried about 3 different brands of creams with dragon's blood in, and I like them. This is a weekly planner. It's a calendar. It does not have a date on it, and this is something that's portable that I could carry with me. This actually looks kind of similar to this one that a friend of mine had given me that expired on New Year's Eve. This is an 18-monthly weekly planner that my friend Chuck had given me, and I got this, which isn't dated. I can put in the dates, and this is weekly, daily, has a lot of space, and this is portable, and you can wipe off the covers easily, and this will be good for travel also. I took the liberty of taking the crinkly packaging off of all these items so that it wouldn't create a lot of unnecessary crackling and stuff on this video. They had some eyeliners and they had some mascaras, and I even got a couple of lip colors. I really don't want to have a whole lot of them because if you don't use them up, they can get rancid. And one year I must have had to throw out over 30 lipsticks because they all went rancid almost at the same time. You could tell by that taste in the back of your throat, and I just got rid of them. So I've been really not, I haven't been buying that much makeup, honestly. The only thing that I do have to buy kind of with regularity is mascara and eyeliner, because my eyeliner is going to dry out and mascara is going to dry up. And they say with mascara, because of the bacterial growth, you should replace it every, I hear some people say every 3 or 4 months. I don't do it that frequently, but I try not to have too many open so that I can let them get used up. This is a lip liner, and this looks like a burgundy kind of color. I think that lip liners would really be good when you're using those matte liquid lipsticks that dry real quickly. Sometimes it's hard to get your lip line on accurately because you start off with it maybe your natural line, but if you make a mistake, then it ends up being bigger and bigger and bigger. So I think if you use a liner first, you can get the perfect shape, and then you can use those liquid colors just to fill in. This is an eyeliner pencil. It looks like it's black. This is a combination eye and lip liner in like a cobalt blue. This is a red lip liner. And the company, oh crap. You know what, before I pick that up, let me find, I have a open antibacterial wipe since I'm such a germaphobe. Oh, where is that damn thing? I shouldn't have to open up a new thing just because I got that dirty. I hate it when that happens. And Garfield's back over there. These kill 99.9% of germs. I showed this to my mother and I asked her how she thought it was pronounced. This is a mascara that it apparently you can get two different looks out of it. You can get a more discreet, natural look, or you can get a heavier look. So I guess one has a primer and then a top coat. And it's also supposed to be waterproof. And the makeup company is She Does, Shedoes, which I wonder if it isn't supposed to make people think of Shiseido, a high-end company that has really expensive products. I mean, really expensive. It was expensive when I lived in San Francisco, and it's, I'm sure, a lot pricier now. This is a mascara that looks like a wine bottle. My mother actually thought it was looked like this eye here, which is obviously showing a bunch of different colors of mascara to look like a rainbow, and she thought that would actually get this look from this one mascara, and I'm pretty sure it's just black. Oh, Garfield is trying to get out of my room. What are you doing? Excuse me. What are you doing? You interrupted my filming, dude. He interrupted my filming. Hello. Hello. Can I finish the rest of my video, please? I want to show people what I got in my TEMU order. Can I do that, please? Okay. Yes. May I? Thank you. All right. Where's the rest of it? All right. Now, this is another mascara, and this says Fit Colors. I'm not going to open it up, even though I'd like to show you the brush, because I want these to stay sterile until I open them, and I don't want them to dry out. But this is what the brush looks like. A lot of these are waterproof, but not all of them are, because sometimes I want something that I can put on and take off real easily, especially when I'm doing all these filming, and sometimes I'm so tired and I don't even want to feel, sometimes I don't feel like washing my face before I go to bed, and you really should. You really should. But, you know, sometimes I don't, but you should. This is a lip gloss, and this is in one of the purple shades. I got 2 shades of purple. This one, well, I'll let you be the judge on how they're different. And I don't know how to pronounce the company. I will show you. I've bought this company before. And this is a cream gel liner. The company is Handaiyan. I think that's how you pronounce it. Handaiyan. I will show you the logo, and I will show you the liner itself. I'm guessing this is what the color is, so I'm not going to risk damaging the point. This is one of those automatic liners. You have to be so careful with these because they break off so easily. These look a lot like Avon has a liner formula that they call glimmer sticks. My mother likes them a lot. But you can break them so easily. This is another combination eye lip liner. Actually, it just says lip liner. But that is a real, it looks like a cross between a dark purple and a burgundy, but not a brown burgundy, more of a fuchsia burgundy. We'll see. This is another one of those mascaras. This actually may have been a 2-pack, I think. And that is definitely waterproof. These 2 here, this is an eyeliner pencil, and it's black. And this is an eyeliner. I think this is one of those swivel up ones. Yes, it is. Or automatic pencil. Sometimes that's also what they call them. And you already saw this is the wine bottle looking mascara. What else I got here? This, always use them. This is a 2-pack of purple hair dye. These come in pouches. And because I have so much hair, I think I probably need both patches to cover a whole head. This is what it looks like. As far as exactly how bright, what the shade of purple is, if it looks anything like this, I will be very satisfied. Hair color cream. The company's called Rosino. Oh, this is a small packet. It says 30 milliliter, 1.02 fluid ounces. A usual jar of Punky Colors or Manic Panic is 4 ounces for frame of reference. This is the packaging. I always like to hold on to them because each one of these has the ingredients. And so I can, if I ever were to have an allergic reaction or something, I could go and look at the ingredients. And I always do go and read the ingredients and things. One thing about Chinese skincare and makeup, sometimes they do test for on animals. Until very recently, it was a law that if it was made in China, it had to be tested on animals. But because of pressure from a lot of animal rights groups, now a lot of Chinese-made cosmetics is not tested on animals. But I believe you have to look on the label. I don't know the technicalities of this, and I really don't want to advise you wrong. Look at these gloves. There were 4 different skull patterns to choose from. I saw these. This was, I thought, the most attractive one of the 4 choices. These will go with so many outfits I have. If you love skull and crossbones things, and these were, by the way, 91 cents. I think this can be a seasonal thing because I can wear this to protect my hands when I'm outside in the summertime. I can wear this when I'm playing guitar. I have a long sleeved sheer fishnet shirt that is covered with skulls and crossbones that this would look awesome with. This would look good with my white skirt that has skulls and crossbones on it. Anything that has black and white and has skulls and crossbones, this would look awesome. Would look great with the black studded leather. Very, very practical. See, the things I get, while they are luxuries, they're also, for my lifestyle, very practical. There are things that I can use for business and for pleasure, for everyday fashion, and for special occasions, for club wear, for filming, you name it. I even have black stockings with skull and crossbones, 2 different kinds of skull and crossbones stockings. These will go well with. Here's another formula of Dragon's Blood Cream with a similar but not identical jar. This was the previous jar, this one is a gold jar. And the formula is a little bit different too. This formula is a gel-based formula, which would be very cooling and refreshing during the summer. And this has more of a fragrance too. This has a very slight rose scent, and I love the smell of roses. You've seen my damask rose water that I got on a much earlier TEMU order. I believe my very first TEMU order. And rose essence you can just pat on your skin. I haven't been using it too much right now because I'm testing a skincare serum, and when you're testing a product they don't want you to use anything else, so I'm trying to do it the right way. So, but truthfully, I really like the products that I'm getting from these companies. They are more than good enough. This is, oh okay, this is the same box as this. So I like that so much I got 2 of them. This is a real investment. This was less than $1. You want to know what this is? This is a special little plug-in disco light. This fits by a USB. This can stick on a computer. This can stick on a tablet. This can stick on Android tablets. This can stick on iPad tablets, in computers. And what this does is, next time I'm around where there's music, say when the crazy churches are doing their thing, I can stick this in, turn the lights down, and I will get not only some disco lights above, but it's supposed to be sensitive to sound. And if there's a rhythm, because of music, a beat, it's supposed to pulse to the beat. I don't know if it has anything that you can adjust or what. And let's see if there's a port near that I can access. I'll stick it in right now just for the heck of it to see if you could see anything. Let's see. Okay. Alright, I'm going to turn my light down so you can see this. I should turn down, wait a minute, so you get the real effect of this. I'm going to turn this light out. What do you think? I got my own little portable disco light. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the mirror. You see? It fits by a USB. And now I don't need to use the twinkly little Christmas lights that you got to string up and you got to worry about them overheating things, and you can't stick them in the window because then it attracts attention to your place. This is discreet and it gives the twinkles. I like it. Do you like it? Okay. Let me put this back up here so I can turn my lights on so I could show you the rest of my stuff. This is great. Definitely glad I got it. You know what? I'm starting to hear some people making noise. So if you don't mind, I'm going to put my fan on. Yeah, I get distracted when I hear the people outside. What else I got in here? Ooh. These feel kind of heavy in a good way. And these are very well made. These are earrings on big kidney wires. I have not seen kidney wires this size. I don't know if I ever have, or if I have, it's been decades. These are inverted pentagrams with what looks like a rainbow niobium or titanium finish. It's probably just spray painted on. I'm going to hit these with clear nail polish to seal the finish. Aren't they great? These were like 91 cents. I had to have them. I thought, oh my God, they'll go with so many things. They go with my hair. They'll go with my clothes. They're awesome. I love them. Oh, these are the boxes that those eyeliners came in. Real luxury looking, the packaging for these things. Let me see if there's anything else in this order. Yeah, I think that was it. What do you think? Were those some haul? Wasn't that cool? What do you think was the best of what I got? Do you think it was the gloves? Or do you think it was the earrings? Or do you think it was the disco ball thing? See, this is an investment in my set design the way I see it. Little things like this that this is portable. I could attach this to anything I'm using. You know, maybe I should, next time I film, maybe I should put this in front of a mirror to maximize the effects. What do you think? Okay, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.